Greetings everyone's Cain here, welcome to my video. So today's video I got an unboxing for you guys. I got a new toy, an early Christmas present. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Canon Powershot V10. It's a camcorder the size of a credit card. I've always been intrigued by this thing. I've always been fascinated by this thing. It's a very unique product. I'm surprised Canon had made something so unique. I've seen many reviews of this product on YouTube. Most are negative, but I don't care. I've always wanted this thing. It's very simplistic, very minimalistic, and to me personally, just very inspiring. Reminds me of the first camcorder that I owned, that started it all, which was my flip video. So enough talk, let's get to the unboxing. Got the instruction manual here. And there's my camcorder. Pretty sweet. This thing's tiny. Nice. Feels very robust. Check it out. So this little camcorder is pretty sweet, I'm not gonna lie, but it has many competitors. There's this gimbal device, looks like a little alien device. There's some GoPros, what have you. But this one, I've always just been fascinated with, because you just flip the screen, you could see yourself, and that big red button, just press it and start making the video you want to make. You know, plain and simple. It also has this stand, built-in tripod stand, so you can hold this too, or set it up, you know, if you want to record yourself on the table, or if you're doing a product review, you could, you know, record down if you're cooking something or what have you. But yeah, so far I'm very impressed. I'm going to be making many videos with this device, along with my iPhone 15 Pro Max camera. It was like around 300 bucks. Got some speakers on top. You could also mount a little tripod, even though it has a built-in stand. It has that option. That's pretty cool. Pretty sweet. Let's see what else came in the box. Oh, came with a, I believe this is the USB-C to charge it. That's pretty nifty. Most things nowadays don't come with anything. When I bought my iPhone 15 Pro Max, it didn't come with absolutely nothing. No charger, no. When I was younger back in the day, the phones used to always come with, you know, a charging block, plus the cable, plus headphones, you know. Sometimes even like a little case. And yeah, that was everything. What's this? Oh, got a little, oh shit, I'm making a mess in my car. Got a little rope thing to put on my camcorder. So don't throw that away. That's what, you know, if you guys do order this. But yeah, guys, pretty cool. I'm gonna be making a lot. I'm gonna be trying to make videos every day. Every day. You know, I make videos when I want. What I want, you know. But yeah, this is gonna make it more fun. What else can I say? yeah, subscribe to my channel. I make videos of all kinds. I believe every video I make will benefit you in some sort of way. I got this camcorder because I love doing this. I love making videos. I like talking to the world through a device like this or my phone. And people talk about the image stabilization, it being a little shaky, what have you. Just be grateful. Like, I come from a time that was pre-internet. Internet was starting to become a thing, but this has good quality, guys. You get 4K plus 1080. It's a little shaky, you know, but quit being so spoiled. Quit, you know, just be grateful, you know. I like it because of its unique design, and I'm personally a minimalist, as you can tell. I'm a minimalist, so this will be a great camcorder for me to have fun with, to record my adventures, to record me talking to my car like most of my videos. I'm going to set it right here and just talk to it. Plus, I could see my face. That's what I liked about it. I could see my face, see what I'm recording while when I'm making my videos. But yeah. All right, everyone. Well, that concludes my video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so every time I upload you guys get notified. And leave a comment. Respect those who comment the most. Now, I thought I would never have any other electronic devices because I'm a pretty extreme minimalist. But when I saw this, I just had to get it, because I don't think they'll ever make a device like this. Maybe if people like this device, you know, and they make income, maybe Canon will start making cool little nifty devices like this. But overall, what can I say? I just wanted a new toy. So I got it, finally. And I'm pretty excited about it. It's the little things in life, guys, that go a long way. Made me a happy man. Anyway, thanks for watching. I swear the sun was not my friend in this video. I had to wait a little bit till the sun went down, but I got it. Thank you.